Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's what we are looking at this Monday. Scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon for parts of the Northern Cape, Free State and the Eastern Cape. There is also going to be light rain and drizzle for the eastern provinces, and there are conditions for runaway fires in places across the western parts of the country. Now here's what we are seeing on the most recent satellite picture. Lots of storm clouds drifting from Namibia and Botswana down into western South Africa. We also have this big blob of cloud threatening to move down towards the Cape Peninsula. Now for the rest of your Monday, this area of high pressure is going to be driving rain-bearing clouds into eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo, where we could see light rain and drizzle in places. We also have this cold front which is going to be brushing along the eastern Cape coastal areas, and we are going to see more eventful weather going on across western South Africa, where isolated to scattered thunderstorms are expected all the way from the west coast into parts of KwaZulu-Natal. The Mpumalanga Highveld may be spilling into western Gauteng and the western areas of the Northwest Province. Now this Monday there is a good chance of scattered thunderstorms, where you see the dark shade of blue across much of the Northern Cape, parts of the Free State and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Between a 20 and 40% chance of thundershows can be expected over the western and southern parts of the country, as well as across the western areas of the Northwest. But we are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain and drizzle as we go towards the eastern areas of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Now we have a warning issued by the South African Weather Service for high fire danger across the western areas of the Northern and Western Cape provinces, so you have to be very careful around open fires if you are in those parts of the country. With that, here's a look at top temperatures for your Monday afternoon. It's going to be sizzling hot for Vredendal with a high of 37. 33 for the high in Cape Town. Highs in the lower 30s are also focused around Springbok and Upington. A bit cooler as we go towards the central and eastern parts of the country. 29 for the top temperature in Bloemfontein. Joburg 28. Temperatures will hit the 30-degree mark around Pretoria, Polokwane and Mbombela, as well as for Ladysmith and Richards Bay. A bit cooler for Durban and Pietermaritzburg. Fairly comfortable for Bishop and Port Elizabeth, both peaking at around 25 degrees this afternoon. Now we are expecting light winds for your Monday over the central and northeastern parts of the country. Moderate northeasterlies between Richards Bay and Durban. Onshore winds along the eastern Cape coastal areas and around George, where fresh winds are focused. Southeasterlies around the Cape Peninsula. On Tuesday, we are going to see unsettled weather persisting across much of the interior, cloud and rainy for the eastern Cape coastal areas and around Durban. A bit of drizzle from Mbombela, dry in Pretoria. Then on a Wednesday, we are going to see thunderstorms across much of South Africa. Cape Town is going to be mostly sunny, warming to 32 degrees.